As you prepare for the high holidays, Moving Traditions offers you this moment to reflect and repair. Let's think about repairing our relationships. Find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, in the past year, when did you experience challenging relationships with unhealthy boundaries or conflict? What steps can you take to foster caring connections and healthy relationships with the teens in your life or others? As you reflect on that, say to yourself silently or aloud, in the coming year, may the relationships in my life be fulfilling, supportive, and caring. As you think about the commitments you can make to yourself, think about what you can do to create lasting impact. Thank you for taking the time to reflect and repair with Moving Traditions.